Guys, avoid small accounts like breaks. Avoid small account like breaks. This account of $10, $5, even $20, they are not safe at all on DERIV. The moment you just start that bot, you'll only be successful for the first like 10 runs. After that, the tables will start turning. So, what should that teach you? I know you have realized that you can actually trade a $10 account to something like 17. By the time you are approaching that is $20, the account is down. That should actually teach you something. If you have an account of something like $100, do a stake of like $3 or $4 or even $2 and go for like 10 runs and you are trading something like under 8. With by the time you are approaching like 10 trades, 10 runs, you'll be over $10, and that will be good profit for the day. Other than trading with an account of $10, risking the whole amount, and you are done. Yeah, I know most of you are motivated by some of the guys who are trading here online, trading with an account of $2, but it's doable and it's possible, but almost impossible. Yeah, we are professional traders and we know that it is doable, but the risk of losing money is actually very, very high. Very, very high. I don't advise anyone to actually trade with a $10 account. The risk I advise someone to actually trade on DERIV is a $50 account. If you cannot afford to fund an account with $50 account, then you cannot call yourself a trader, and trading is not for you. Just wait until, just be patient. Wait until the moment you'll be able to fund your account with something like $50, $100, $200. The well funded the account is, the lower the risk. Because if you have like a $500 account, do a stake of something like let's say even $10 or even $20. Then just take like 10 to 15 runs, 5 to 10 to 15 runs, and you are trading something like under 8 or over 1 or even over 2 or under 7. By the time you are hitting like 10 runs, you'll be having a good profit of something close to, let's say, even $40 or $30, and your money is not at risk. But the problem with you guys, actually just go and check all the popular traders that you know here online and the most legit traders. Most of them will just go for like 10 trades, 5 trades. Just go and check, go and confirm how many trades they normally do and how much money, how funded are the accounts. Just go and confirm. Even those traders who normally like go full margin. We have traders who go full margin. For example, you have like $100, you stake the whole amount. They just go for like 2 or 3 runs, then you are done. Just go and check. We have so many traders. Just go and check people like INH Master Trader. We have like Mark Binary. There are so many. Just go and check. Just go and check those guys. Even people like Dollar Printer. Just go and check how the type of how funded the accounts they normally use to trade. How much balances do they have? Those guys will just go for something like 3 runs, 4 runs. Then they are done. They close the trades. Then yourself, you are there. You want to take. You have deposited $5. You want to take. You want to take 100 trades, so that by the end of the day, you'll have flipped the $5 from 5 to something like 15. So that by the end of the day, you'll have made that is something like $10. That's around 1,300. It's possible, but almost impossible. You'll have to borrow so many accounts for you to achieve that. So you out of 5, you'll fund 5 accounts. Out of 5 accounts, only 2 will go through. So by the end of the day, you'll close the day at a loss. So what's the need for that? Just keep that money, $5. Just save the money. Save money. Just go and do other hustles. Save money. Then until a moment you are able to fund your account. Then something else. Spend time on the demo. The main reason you are given the demo is for you. The demo allows you to make mistake without. It allows you to make mistake without risking your money. So don't just go and get a robot today and in the next 5 minutes, because you have already run it once on the demo, then you just think that if you go on a real account it will be the same. There might be a coincidence. The moment you are on the demo, the market was good. The moment you go to a real account, the real account just beats you hands down. So that's a problem with you guys. Spend the time on the demo. Spend some good time on the demo. If, for example, in the robot that you have, I normally tell people every robot that you have is a profitable robot. The only problem is that you don't have a strategy. Every robot has a trading strategy. So even if you just go and correct a robot on Telegram, it won't help you. If you go on my Telegram group, you'll find so many free robots there. and I'm very sure 100% you 100% sure they won't help you because you don't have their respective trading strategy. But I just keep them there just to prove that, because you just go get them, go on the demo, try to take a few trades. The moment you take like 2 trades and they are successful, then you go on real account. But you don't understand, probably the time you it was just a coincidence that the time you are on the demo the market was good. Then there's also this idea of these guys bragging out here that an over and under robot is automated, it's auto analysis. There's nothing like auto analysis in over and under. The only robots that you can get auto analysis are even and odd, and probably something like accumulators. But for something like over and under, my friend, there's nothing like auto analysis. Those robots just trade randomly. You just need to have a good strategy on how to approach the market. Have a good capital, just get to the market, take like 10 to 15 trades, then quit, retire for the day. Don't risk your money by spending the whole day on deriv. Deriv sio chamba ati unaenda unalima kutoka asubuhi hadi jioni na expect mshahara. Utalima kutoka asubuhi hadi saa 7, mshahara iko. By the time inafika masaa ya jioni, mshahara yako imeshaenda. So just get on deriv, trade for about a minute or even less than a minute. If you check most of my trades are actually, most of them the trades they are under 1 minute. I only do like 5 to 10 trades. Go and check some other guys who normally do trading on TikTok. Check how many trades they do. Yeah. And something else that you need to note, even if you don't know how to trade, and you don't know how to analyze the market, and you just have a good robot and you have a well-funded account that do good risk management, you can still make money. Yeah, you can still make money. If you have a robot that is actually trading something like under 9 and switching to something like under 5, have an account of $1,000, do a stake of something like, let's say, $5, and use volatility 10-1s. It's actually the volatility 10-1s is a slow volatility. So if you go to that market and start trading, and don't spend so much time on deriv, you will be able to make money even without having any knowledge on how to trade, because that robot like you'll be losing, then the robot will go for like 5 losses, then it recovers, it takes like 5 wins, then goes for like 5 losses, other 3 losses, recovers, like that. In the process, by the end of the day, you have made money. And that's what most of the guys who are online here, they are bragging, telling you that the robot automated. There's nothing like automated. If you go with your small account of $5 and try to do that, my friends, deriv will be a living hell. So another thing that you need to take note, deriv is a business, but deriv is not a charity organization. I have always said this for so long. So don't go to deriv and think that every day you'll make money. You'll go today, make money, go tomorrow, you lose money. So by the end of the day, just make sure that like at least like 25 days in a month or 20 days in a month, you are profitable. Even if you lose 5 days, there's no problem. At least the 20 days you made profit, at least you enjoyed. Yeah, have some good risk management plan. There is a lot to learn in trading. There is a lot to explore, and just learn slowly. Take your time to learn. Don't rush into the market because you saw your friend has joined trading, he has started making money, then yourself you have to get to trading tomorrow and start making money. Be slow, take time to learn, and everything will work out. That's all. Goodbye.